Right, it was hard to get. Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Come on, girl! Go!
Come on, you got this! She's on steroids. You got this!
Go, Brian! Come on, Therese!
3 more fights to go.
Go again! Let's go! Don't be shy!
Come on,
Go! Let me fucking my video! Go!
Just pushing her feet and we gotta eat it. Ouch! Ouch! Don't pass out. Okay, so we have a winner. 2 rounds he won. Okay, so for Egypt, between 18 and 49. 3, 2, 1, eat! Good day! So dirty!
That's right!
We're clearing the pie! You want Tony? I know there's a lot of the blue one there. She cleared hers. Come on, Tony. There we go. Okay, we have a winner. What's her name, sir? Okay.